can tell you've done this before.
A few times. Just a few times, Mike.
Season 2 of the award-winning series, Maria's Portuguese Table, is here.
You're the best around.
I don't know. I did not sign up for this.
Join me, Maria Lawton, as I explore the richness of the Portuguese culture through the lens of its delicious food.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my goodness. That is divine.
From New England to the Azores, bring your appetite and sense of adventure.
That is heavy.
Yeah.
Our journey is going to be filled with discovery and laughter.
Oh my God. Oh, wait, hold on. No, I'm not in yet. My leg. My shirt. I'm going to do this again.
So join us.
Oh, wow.
You will always have a seat at Maria's Portuguese Table.